Hey, you crew. If you guys haven't met us before, I'm Jamie, and this is my wife, Princess. For the last few years, we've been traveling around the world. Well, almost. We began sailing around the world on our super awesome aluminum performance sailing catamaran, Jupiter 2. 4 years of full-time sailing, all the way from Asia, Africa to the Americas, until we ran out of money. For me, it was back to work, which, to be honest, ain't too bad. But we need a place to live and we need to keep exploring. Only one answer: RVing America.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning from the Black Hills of South Dakota.
Yeah, where are we going?
We're headed to Jewel Cave.
Yeah, one of the caves.
This whole Black
Park.
Hills is full of caves.
Yeah.
And the only way we get to see a cave is if we reserve tickets, and they're all sold out for the next week.
Yeah.
But it does say there's a chance if you turn up, first come, first serve, they may have some extras, or they're running extra tours and you can get on them. So it's 8:30 now, the park is just opening. We'll be there in 8 minutes. See if we can get down a cave hole. And after that we're gonna do
Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore.
Let's see if we're gonna get impressed.
Go see the 4 old dudes in the mountain.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna get back to Oakley because he's locked up in the RV.
Yeah, and it gets hot after.
Yeah, by
lunch.
lunchtime it's a bit hot, so we'll go back to him then. And then we got one more day here. Tomorrow we're gonna see Custer State Park,
Yeah.
which looks really cool. There's
Yeah.
lots of rocks and
Mhm.
really pretty. We may even put the boat on a lake,
Yay!
go for a paddle.
It's been a long time since the first time we used it.
That's the only time we've used it, once.
Because it's always cold wherever we go.
And then we're out of here, long hauling it down to Denver, because we got to go pick up our new hitch from Gen Y.
Yeah.
Hitch that we've had for a year now seems to have failed. The loading is saying we're well overloaded, and we're not. So the torsion flex part, the rubbers, seem to have failed, and they're giving us a new one
Yeah.
as a warranty.
Warranty.
And it's also the next rating up. It's 5,500 pounds instead of 4.5. So that should be good. It's gonna be heavy, guys. And I don't know how we're gonna do it by ourselves, but we're gonna try. Might have to make friends and some extra guys give me a hand. Anyway, it's all exciting. I'm not at work still. And we're adventuring. I like it.
Turn left. Then you will arrive at your destination.
Jewel Cave National Park.
You have arrived.
Maybe we can go to the tour. Oh, look at the line. Well, it's not much, like 10 people in the line. We got it.
All right. You do get tickets, and it's in 2 hours' time. Is that right? So, it's a really cold morning, and they're telling us the cave is cold, which is, I thought it'd be warm down there, but anyway, we got to go home and get dressed. And we might try and sneak into Mount Rushmore. And
Yeah. We'll just get a
As
look
well.
and then let's go.
well, there's not much to look at, I don't think.
Yeah. Hey guys, we are in Wind Cave National Park. So we decided to come here to just put this sticker on my bottle.
And we can't go, well, we could go in, but the cave itself is closed.
It's closed due to elevator.
We're renovating the elevator or
Renovating.
something. So we are here in,
Yeah.
reality. It's just that we're not really seeing it. That's right.
Yeah, and it's not much to see. It's just animals that we have already seen and the cave.
Yeah, that's it. It's the
Yeah.
cave, really. I
Okay.
don't know why they make it a national park.
You do the ceremony.
Where is it?
Here.
Here we go.
Oh, it's not.
What?
Can you make it perfect? Oh my god.
It's gonna be perfect. Yeah, mate.
Yeah. Can you see or not? Oh, there.
How's that?
Um.
It's perfect.
Okay, a
A
little,
little
bit.
bit perfect.
Okay. Wind Cave National Park.
Another one checked off, sort of.
It looks small.
You'll be fine.
I don't think that. You can't be a. She can go help,
Too tight.
but you have to carry out your own pee and your own.
Oh my god! I can share! Yay!
You can sign up.
Let's go!
Well done. Well, we managed to squeeze in Mount Rushmore
Yeah.
because all hell broke loose at about 10 o'clock. Actually, it was about 1 o'clock today. After we finished the cave tour, come out and find I've been called into work. I'm supposed to be on a flight tomorrow morning. And who knows how long I'm going to be away. Because I'm still training, so they don't have a proper schedule for me. They're just trying to put me in when they can. So I can't leave Princess and Oakley and Momo and Nali here. Wow, that's pretty. Check that. Oh, that's the back of George Washington's nose.
Looks like Red Cross, Crazy Horse.
It
I'm
does.
about to say Red Horse.
Red horse. Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Yeah, so I rang up work and I said, listen, I need more than 1 day's notice. Can I have 2 days notice, please? And so they gave me 3. So tomorrow we leave here early and get down to Denver. We still haven't got a park to go to, an RV park. I still don't know how long I'm going to be away, but it looks like it's only a week for now. So trouble with RV parks though, you know, like you say, oh, I want to stay a week, but then, oh, can I stay another week? No, it's booked out. You know, what? So you got to pay up front for a long time and we can't do that. All we can do is just say, pay for a week and then, oh, look, things changed. I'm sorry, the RV's staying where it is. That's all we can do. So yeah, now, just before, I think the sun's actually set, has it? Nearly, not quite. We're trying to go see Custer State Park, and I think is it called the Needles Highway or something?
Yeah, Needles Eye Tunnel.
And it's just all these spires of rock.
Yeah.
And I want to see it before we leave here, you know? So that's what we're doing right now. We should be there in 30 minutes. It's going to be dark.
I know, right? But we try, at least.
Yeah.
We try.
Life is an adventure.
Can we go?
Look.
But baby, I'm gonna go down and film
No,
you.
no, no.
Come on! I'm gonna check. What if we're not fit? Holy cow. B, what if we're not fit? I think we're fine. Holy cow.
We gotta come back to something. I guess if we fit once, we can fit twice.
B, there's no turnaround. Oh shit. Wow. We just went to the cave and we brought Nelly. It's like we're in the cave. Wow.
Cry, Gnarly. There's bling bling in the wall.
I know, right? Can we stop here? Waiting for us? Come on, go out. Why is in there?
I don't want to go.
Holy cow, babe.
Whose idea is this?
You. Oh, Nelly is like crying. Ah, we made it! We made it! Yay! Heavy? It's scary though.
We're gonna go back through it in the dark now. Gen Y 4.5K coming up. We're going to go pick up the new 5.5K because this one's telling us we're overloaded, but we're not. So they've deemed it a failure and they're replacing it on warranty.
Oh! Shit. Oh. Fuck! Hey, stop! Something's scratching him.
Got some problem with the spring. Broken spring up there. I see it now. It's actually the other side. Well, that's it.